Hello, everyone, and welcome back to another episode with your boy Money Spence. In today's episode, I'm going to cover how I was able to make $3,300 today day trading. Best strategy that you need to utilize when it comes to day trading the overall stock market. Before we start, I want to show you all my trading report from my trading account. So for the day, I grossed $3,305. Beautiful setup that I was able to catch after the live stream. I wanted to make $5,000 today on the live stream, but I wasn't able to make that. Go down to my entries and my exits. So it honestly only took me about 30 minutes to make that additional funds that I made today. 3,300 some odd dollars. It only took me about 30 minutes. And here's my fills, my buys and sells right here. And my last trade today, it was around 10:58 a.m. And if I would have held on to it a little longer, I could have completed that $5,000 challenge. Now, let's dive into the strategy that I used to make this 3,000 and some odd dollars. The best day trading strategy that you want to utilize when it comes to, making profits consistently on a daily basis, it's called the support and resistance day trading strategy. So this morning, I was able to develop some additional levels that we had in place for resistance areas and support areas, right? So on the open, we had a pump up towards our resistance areas, right? We had a pump up towards the resistance areas. I'm going to highlight that key resistance area because it's extremely important. So we had a pump up to that zone, right? So I started buying right here when we started to pull back because usually when you're day trading, if you're planning on going short, you want to purchase near key resistance zones. If you're planning on going long, you want to buy near key support zones. Now, on an open, I kind of got faked out because these green candlestick bars, they were trending above VWAP. So I had to wait patiently for the next, beneficial opportunity. So I got in up here and on the live stream earlier today, I was able to make about 1,500 and some change when that live stream, was over. But I pulled up my phone and I noticed that these red candlesticks they started to trend towards the support zones, these zones over here. They started to trend near the support zone. So I say, you know what, I am about to size up and buy a little bit more. So I sized up right here in this area around about 10:45 a.m. on this green candle because I was betting the market, pulling back to our pivot point. So I sized up right there and I sold my entire position right here, close to these pivot points. So that's why it's extremely important to have your support and resistance levels in place before the overall market, opens up and adjust them as time progresses by. Because if the market start pulling back in a certain direction or trending towards the upside, at least your levels are already in place so you can capitalize on the move, whether it's towards the downside or upside. But your boy Money Spence just had his biggest day so far this year when it comes to, day trading the stock market. And I am extremely excited and I'm extremely grateful and thankful that I was prepared when this opportunity presented itself. So make sure you all do me a favor. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel so you can stay up to date with more valuable trading tips and weekly education. And we also have the Money Spent Show Monday through Friday from 9:15 Eastern Standard Time until the session is over.